subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Realme C25 is now official in India along with the Realme C20 and Realme C21. Among these three, the Realme C25 is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C25 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 88.7% screen-to-body ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Realme C25 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G70 processor paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 75.9 by 9.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C25 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 16th in watery blue and watery grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C25 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.